see your boldness, confidence, and determination. I give most warm welcome to all of you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A very good afternoon to our team managing director, Dr. Asif Chaudhary, Honorable Vice Principal, Dr. Subul Kamal, faculty teachers, chief guests, and juniors. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Singh from pioneer batch of Al-Raziq College. I would like to say a warm word of welcome as we are going to celebrate welcome party for freshers.
It is an exceptional day with games of joy, love, and happiness. It's not a day when we wear casual, listen to teachers, sit quietly. It's a day when juniors waiting for. It's a day for seniors who are waiting for welcome to their juniors. It's a day when